So you finally created your YouTube channel, you're ready to start posting your videos and your content, but you don't know how to do it. Don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can post your first video here on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about YouTube growth tips and strategies. If your goal is to grow on YouTube, kindly hit the subscribe button and stick around because there's so much more to learn here. So let's start. Alright, so we are in the YouTube dashboard now, the YouTube studio, and if you click at the top right hand corner there where it says create, if you click on create, you will see the different options. So we have the option to upload video, go live, create posts, add new playlist or new podcast. Okay, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to click on upload videos because that's what we want to do, right? So even if you don't want to use that create button, you can just go ahead and click on this other upward arrow that is right under it. It's still the same thing. So click on it and it will ask you to select file, select the video that you want to upload. By the way, I'm doing this on my phone, but if you do it on laptop, it's still the same as long as you're doing it from the YouTube studio, okay? So go ahead and select the video that you want to upload. All right, so I've selected the video I want to upload, and now this video is just being imported into YouTube. It's currently uploading. Okay, but while the video is uploading, if you look at the left hand side, you will see a couple of other information that you need to enter regarding this video. Okay, so let's start with the title. You need to give the video a title. Okay, we're not going to dwell so much on how to get the best title and all of that. So this video is just about how to upload YouTube videos. So I'm just going to give it that. So next, you talk about the description. Go ahead and describe what the video is about. And for the thumbnail, you have the option of uploading a thumbnail that you've already designed. And I highly recommend using Canva to design a thumbnail. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on how to design thumbnail using Canva, okay? It's quite simple and easy. All right, but if you don't have a thumbnail that you've already designed, you can let YouTube generate a thumbnail for you, and that will happen after the video is done uploading. So YouTube will just choose a frame from the video and use that as your thumbnail. Most times it's not the best, so that's why I recommend designing your own thumbnail from Canva, okay? So when I try to upload a thumbnail, it tells me that you need to verify your channel first before you can upload custom thumbnail, okay? If you just follow the prompt, they'll just send you a code to your number and you enter it and your channel will be verified, okay? If you want to add this video to a playlist, you can go ahead and do that, but we are not going to cover that now. Just go ahead, scroll down. All right, so remember in the last video where I said if you set your channel to not made for kids, then you don't have to select it every time. But if you haven't done that, this place you just have to say yes or no. So if your video has anything to do with kids, or if your channel has anything to do with kids, go ahead and say yes, but if not, just say no. All right, I want you to click on this button that says show more because we want to fill out all the other details for this video. Does your video contain any paid promotion, any altered content, any of that? You just have to select yes or no. Obviously, for a brand new channel, the answer should be no. So these other features that are already pre-filled by YouTube, I suggest you leave it like that for now. You can go ahead and put some tags. Make sure you're putting tags that are related to your channel or tags that are related to your video, okay? So for the tags, I'm just going to say how to upload videos on YouTube and all of that because that's what this video is all about, right? Language and caption. What language was this video recorded? Select English or whatever language that the video was recorded in. Recording dates and location. Just go ahead and pre-fill that. You can see here where it says that viewers can search for video by location. So location is very, very important. All right. So just scroll all the way down and enter all the information related to this video. Okay. So for category, is usually set to people and blogs by default, but I like to change it here and put it to how to and style, because this video is how to do something, right? So for comments and moderation, of course, you want to leave your comments on so that you can see when people comment on your videos. For moderation, it's just you telling YouTube to filter out some words, especially, those words that those words that will normally make YouTube to flag a video down. So you can choose here whether to keep it at none, means you don't want YouTube to hold any comments, no matter how bad it is, or you can put it to basic, strict, or hold all. So I normally leave it at basic, which means I want YouTube to hold some inappropriate comments, okay? So depending on the type of video you make, if you start seeing lots of inappropriate comments, you can always come back and change it to strict or hold all. Okay, so let's move on. Sort by, I normally leave it at newest so that I can see the newest comment that somebody dropped on my video, okay? All right, so this is what I was talking about. The video is done uploading, and these are just few still frames from the video that YouTube is suggesting for thumbnail. So you can choose anyone here, or like I said, you can go ahead and design your thumbnail from Canva and use that one, okay? All right, click on next and let's go to the video elements. All right, so here you want to add subtitles if you wish to. Subtitles helps your video to reach a broader audience, okay? Especially if you've recorded the video in English, you can add subtitles for other languages so that other people from other countries or other language can watch your video and understand your video, okay? For end screen, we're not going to be adding any end screen to this video because this is the first video that we're uploading to this channel, right? So subsequently, when we upload a second or third video, then you can add end screens to that video, okay? End screen is basically those videos that show up towards the end of a video, okay? And you can only do that when you have other videos on your channel. Same thing for cards. You can promote a related video during when that current video is playing, okay? Cards are usually links to other videos or links to other stuff or website that you want people to visit when they are watching your video, okay? But we're not adding any end screen or card to this video just yet, okay? Click on next. So when the video is done uploading, YouTube is going to run a background check, a copyright check on your video, just to be sure that you're not stealing people's content, or just to be sure that whatever music you have used in the video does not have a copyright claim, okay? All right, click on next. And all right, so this is where I want you to pay close attention, okay? So, right, this is the visibility part. Do you want to save the video or do you want to publish the video right away? Okay, so the first option there says private. The second option says unlisted, and then we have public. I don't recommend making the video public immediately, okay? I recommend keeping it private or unlisted for some time, for a few hours, so that you can give YouTube algorithm enough time to fully optimize the video. This will also allow you enough time for the video to fully upload to YouTube, because you don't want to make the video public immediately and a few hours later you come back and realize that there's a copyright claim on the video or there's a glitch in the video whereby the video did not finish processing, okay? So click on private and save it for now. We are going to come back to it later, okay? All right, so we have saved the video. So later on, if you want to come back and make the video public, all you need to do is click on, if you see on the left hand side of this channel studio dashboard, you will see a lot of options there. Click on content. So this is where all the videos you've uploaded on YouTube will normally be. Whether the video is on public, private, or unlisted, it will all be here, okay? All right, so if you want to just go ahead and make this video public, you can just come here, select the date and time you want to make it public. If you want to schedule it ahead of time, you can also do that here. Or if you want to make it public right away, then just go ahead and choose public. and click on save. Okay, once you click on save, that means you're ready for the video to go public and you're ready for everyone to start watching your video. You're ready for YouTube to start pushing your video to your recommended audience. Okay, but if you want to change anything about the video, all you need to do is click on the video title itself, click on the pencil icon and scroll down. Then you see all the information that we already entered about the video. But if you wanted to change one or two things about the video, you can go ahead and do it here. And when you're done, you click on save. Okay, make sure you click on save so that all the changes can save. Okay. All right, so yeah, that's it. That's how to post your first video on YouTube. And of course, that's the same process that you follow whenever you want to upload more videos on YouTube. Okay, in my next video, I'm going to show you some of the few things that you need to do after uploading your YouTube videos in order to get views. Okay, and if you want to create a YouTube channel but you have no idea about how to create one, be sure to check out this video here, because in that video I showed you the step-by-step process on how you can create a brand new YouTube channel. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section. Okay, like I said before, this channel is solely dedicated to new YouTubers or beginner YouTubers, or if your goal is to grow and monetize on YouTube. Okay, so please subscribe, stick around, because there's so much to learn here and we're all going to learn and grow together, because I genuinely want to see new YouTubers grow in their YouTube journey. Okay, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.